Hello there, traders! Hello mga ka-champion! Welcome na naman sa ating Learn from Scratch Forex Champion Series. So, for today's episode, tutulungan natin yung isa nating members of private group na nag-message sa akin at nagtanong ng, Sir, uh, can we be profitable or can we just trade using horizontal support levels? So, ngayon, sasagutin natin yon in detail at hihimayin natin. So, we can just level up yung yung isang trading method called level trading. So, kung saan makakita tayo ng multiple opportunities on a major key level or zone. So, tara, turuan ko kayo at hopefully may matutunan kayo dito sa episode na to. Gayun din yung nag-request nito. So, salamat sa'yo. So, tara, let's get straight into the charts. Alright. So, guys, again, we will step up our game in terms of level trading. So, ang question niya ay, Sir, can we just trade using horizontal support and resistance levels? Sagot ko dyan, definitely yes, and you can find multiple opportunities. Diba? So, again, guys, ano ba ang ating basis sa ating pagtitrade? Diba? It's all about market structure. Yun lagi ang aking sinasabi sa inyo, lalo na't I think and I believe na marunong kayo magbasa ng market structure. Okay? So, pagbibigyan natin isa nating member para mas malinawan pa siya. So, currently, nandito tayo sa pair called Pound Kiwi or British Pound New Zealand Dollar. Okay? So, using just horizontal key support and resistance levels, we can find multiple opportunities. Okay? And I will help you also how to find opportunities and how we can confirm that that level will hold or not. Okay? So, right now we are on the 4-hour. Let's say, just to make it simple, no? I want just to scalp. Okay? So, ngayon, first step, when you want to find an opportunity, definitely, we should mark our key level or zones. So, sabi ng ating member na nag-request, using just what? Horizontal support and resistance levels. Okay? So, as we can see here, okay, I can mark my multiple key support or resistance levels. Bakit siya significant in the first place? Because yung price nag-react sa kanya multiple times, at least 2 or more, okay? So, I will just mark my horizontal levels and we should look for opportunities out of that, okay? So, I'm also seeing here, okay? Again, this is zone, I'm just plotting my lines first, then I will put zones, okay? Alright. So, we can see here the price reacted multiple times. So, just looking at the view, we know that this is already a hindsight at nakita natin yung move. However, how can we enter the market effectively? Diba? Yun ang tanong. And how can we trade these horizontal key levels or zones? Okay? So, remember, when we are marking key support or resistance levels, kailangan that specific zone, nag-react na yung price many times para alam natin na in future, magre-react sa kanya yung price either up or either going down. Okay? So, we will just mark our, diba? And I will teach you one concept for your confirmation. Okay? Let's try to make it as clean as possible. para madali siyang basahin. Okay? And for the last. So again guys, if hindi pa kayo marunong magbasa ng market structure, I suggest ipanoorin nyo yung, I think, 3rd episode ko. Ma-realize nyo and matututunan nyo how to read market structure. Diba? Iba't ibang klase ng structure ng market and how you can read it effectively. Using just, of course, yung classic how to read like lower low, lower high. But it might seem simple, but it will be a powerful tool or foundation for you para mas magaling ka magbasa ng structure in your trading. Para sa yung trading journey, di ba? Kasi kalamitan sa atin, sinasabing basic, minsan yung pa yung nakakalimutan. Yung pinakasimpleng bagay, minsan yun pa yung mas, nagiging mahalaga para maging, mas magaling kang trader, di ba? We always look for complexity. Kasi minsan, ginagawa natin complex mga bagay-bagay. The more complex na iisip natin, mas magaling. But, no. Trading should be made simple. That's why yung tagline ko, trading made simple, di ba? Hindi mo kailangan maging gawing komplikado lahat ng bagay-bagay sa trading. As long as you understand how the market moves in the simplest way possible, in the cleanest chart possible, then you're good to go. Okay? You don't need so many freaking lines, so many like tools like Fibonacci's, meron pa kayong mga kung ano-anong ABCD pattern. However, I'm not against those traders using that. I'm just saying na I'm trading using a clean chart as much as possible, okay? Because I can read market structure and I understand at some point naman yung market movement. So, I don't have to stress myself waiting for so many confirmations just to enter a trade. Okay? Yun ang goal ko ay make trading as simple as possible, di ba? Yun naman dapat. So, again, so now we mark our key support and resistance levels. Okay? Ang tanong is, how can we find opportunities? Diba? So, I will teach you this concept. Actually, it's pretty much basic. It's called break and retest. So, we're just stepping up or leveling up our level trading. So, kung hindi nyo alam yung trading method na yun, it's just simple. Just using support and resistance levels or zones. Okay? So, it's called break and retest. So, later on, I will explain to you ano ibig sabihin ng break and retest and how can we find multiple opportunities on a trend continuation pattern. Okay? Ano nga ba yung trend continuation? So, guys, balikan natin para sa benefit ng mga new viewers or at least ma-refresh kayo, di ba? We are now on what? I think we're on our episode 19, if I'm not mistaken. But, nevertheless, we've gone this far, guys. Starting from episode 1, I hope sumusubaybay kayo and I hope natututo na kayo mag-trade from scratch. That's my goal, to help you trade from scratch, okay? To help you learn trading from scratch, rather. Okay? So again, balikan natin yung trend continuation. Okay, in a bearish in a bearish market or bearish trend. So just quick facts, just to read this statement. After a successful trend reversal, the trend continuation is observed by breaking the previous support that becomes its new resistance going down. Okay. So, paulit-ulit ko na itong ina-explain sa inyo. But again, as a refresher para sa mga viewers at dun sa sumusumaybay, para lang maalala nyo if in case medyo nakalimot kayo. So, we all know on a trend continuation for a bearish market or downtrend, we can say that previously, once this support got broken, definitely this old support becomes what? Its new resistance for it to have a trend continuation. So it's just a repeating process as long as the market shifts its momentum to its opposite direction. Okay? So again, once this support get broken, this structure, it will become new resistance later on, and we can find opportunities for selling. Okay, same thing for a trend continuation. Once this, again, this second cycle of broken support got broken, it becomes its new resistance. Okay, so it's a trend continuation pattern, but at the same time, we can also apply the break and retest for looking an opportunity. So, I will help yung new member na nag-request nito para mas maintindihan niya na we can just also trade using just key support, resistance, key level of support and resistance. Okay? So, it doesn't have to be complicated, ika nga. So, back to the charts. Alright. So, we can see now our what? Again, you mark key level of support and resistance. So, how can we apply break and retest? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng break and retest na yan? Diba? Okay. If we can see the structure, okay? Diba? On our marked levels, if we go down what? To a much lower time frame, okay? What do we see? Wait. Right. Okay. We all know that what? When this structure got broken, we can have our first opportunity where? Diba? Ano sabi? Previous what? Previous support becomes new resistance. So, normally, for break and retest traders, pag sinabing break and retest, okay, when a structure ay na-break, we will look for opportunity once it retests that key level or zone. Okay? Look for opportunity. How do we find opportunity as a retest? Of course, look for candle patterns. You should know how to read candlestick patterns or just the candle itself. It may serve as a signal that it would continue down or it would not give any signal that it would continue up. Diba? But what we're looking for is what? If this one got broken, we look for sell opportunity. Okay? Alright. So, balik tayo sa 1 hour. Again, our goal is what? To trade using key support resistance or key level of support or resistance. Diba? Using break and retest trading. So, this is just a level up of level trading. Now, just, how do you call this? An upgrade. Okay? Applying break and retest. Okay? So, we got a structure here. Okay, structure. Okay? This was once a support. Now becomes what? New resistance. Okay? So, when the market break this structure, we can say that this can be our new resistance. Okay? So, how do we find an opportunity? Through break. Ano daw sabi? Through break, and what? Retest. Okay? Pag sinabing retest, i-retest na yung level na na-break niya. Okay? And how do we find opportunity? Of course, candlestick pattern. Yun lang naman eh. Hindi mo na kailangan ng kung ano-anong tools pa. As long as you know how to read a candlestick or a candlestick pattern, again, balikan nyo yung lesson ko ng kung saan nandun yung buying and selling pressure concept, di ba? Okay? So, here, we found an opportunity for a sell. But am I going to take the trade here? Example, I'm on a 1 hour time frame. For a short example, this candle already happened. Retest the level or zone. you can make our what? Can make our ano, stop loss just above the structure. And TP, normally, I can go to a much higher time frame to look for key levels. Diba? So right now we are there. So we can find through looking left. Okay, I found a key, next key support level or zone. Here, boom. Basta natin. Oops, sorry. Right? Okay, this will be my TP target. Right? Let's just mark that as my yan ang aking TP area. Why? See, the price reacted to it several times. Okay? So, titan ko lang yung kulay nito. Right. So, yan yung aking magiging TP. Balik tayo sa 1 hour time frame. Again, it depends on what time frame you're comfortable, but normally, I'm just giving you an example that I'm trading and mark my levels on the 1 hour. So, again, you can utilize multiple time frame. Alright? So, don't stick to just one time frame for your trading. Okay? So, since I marked my key level structure for my TP, I will have this trade later on. So, again, balikan natin. Break. And what? Anong ginawa ng price? Retest. Okay? Break and retest. Yun yung concept for looking an opportunity as confirmation on a level trading setup. Okay? Pag sinabing level trading, using just key support or resistance level or zones. Diba? You don't need trend lines. What? You don't need Fibonacci. You don't need RSI or moving averages. Just plain horizontal levels or zones. Okay? And I will show you that you can also profit just using this, what? Using this concept, okay? Break and retest on a level trading scenario, okay? So, if I were to take the trade, I know this one reacted to my level. So, it's like this level got broken. Of course, normally it will retest, okay? Retest. So, what if I look for a better opportunity? Example, we already have taken this trade with this setup. One is a for risk reward ratio. Again, what if I want to improve more of my what? More of my entry, di ba? I want to increase my risk reward ratio. Gusto ko pa improve yung risk reward ratio ko. Again, by going to another lower time frame down, di ba? Look for more detailed candle formations. Okay? So, can we find any confirmation here aside from the longer week on the 1 hour? Then what if I go down still to 5 minutes? Let's see if we can find a better structure to improve our risk reward ratio. Alright. Okay. So we can see here that this candle there's already an indication that what? See this engulfing? Diba? Plus, you see this? Alright. This is, aside from this engulfing, we can refer to this one as what? A confirmation candle what? Showing there's a selling pressure already, and the bears are what? Are taking over the market. Okay? I can what? Look for an opportunity after this candle for a sell. Diba? Since the price reacted on a key resistance level. So, I can place my trade just above structure yung aking stop loss. And of course, TP having the same what? TP level as on the higher time frame. Okay? Balik tayo sa higher time frame pag sa TP. Again, ang ini-improve lang natin yung risk reward ratio through tightening your stop loss. But yung TP natin is still on the higher time frame level. Diba? We want lower risk, high reward. Diba? Yun ang goal natin. Okay? Alright. So, this 1:4 yung initial setup natin. If we take the trade right away from the 1 hour, pag dito naman, bumaba tayo sa 15 minutes or 5 minutes, what? We improve that 1:4 to 1:11. Okay, guys, imagine the difference. So, by just tightening your stop loss using structure-based concept and some candle formations as your confirmation, candlestick pattern or reading concept like buying and selling pressure, we can improve our entry, optimal entry. So, again, this concept is all about break and retest. Okay? Previous level got broken. Wait for the retest of that. It will, if it will hold or not, then look for opportunities through reading, mga candlestick pattern. Okay? So, yan isa nating first trade. So, again, applying again yung break and retest concept after that move happened. Okay? Ngayon, the second level, what? Diba? Got broken. So, anong sasabi? Break and retest. So, now, I will look for opportunity again here. Am I going to take the trade? Although, as you can see on the pattern, diba? Again, break and retest. So, as you can see on the pattern, meron tayong agad confirmation na engulfing candle on a 1 hour time frame. So, this can serve as a signal that the price or yung market will continue because there's a confirmation na yung bears are still in control against the bulls. Okay? So, nakita nyo yan. Am I going to take the trade again? So, kung makikita nyo, we have multiple opportunities using just horizontal key level or structure based on level trading. Key, horizontal, support or resistance level. Diba? But again, I want to improve again my, what? My risk-reward ratio. So, initial instinct ko, once I see this pattern, or once it reacted dito, after the retest, ba? Nag-react siya. Again, delete muna natin to. If you're going to take the trade straight from 1 hour, you will have this 1:3.5 risk-reward ratio. But then again, for me, I want a tighter stop loss with a higher reward on the longer, higher time frame TP level. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung TP? Take profit. Okay? Para sa mga nagtatanong. O yun yung target mo para mag-exit ka ng trade. Okay? So, I know when it got reacted here, I can still go down to a much lower time frame. Example, 50 minutes. And look for what? Another opportunity. Okay? Sabi, nag-react siya dito. Is there any signal na magko-convince atin na mag-sell? You see these wicks? You see these candle formations? What does it mean, di ba? Ang meaning niyan, there's a selling pressure already. So, definitely, normally, I can take trade using buy stop or just instant execution if ganun kayo mag-trade. But, I'm just teaching you the concept na if you see a confirmation candle here na nag-react dito sa key resistance level mo or zone, you can take the trade right after the formation of this candle. So, example, stop loss, again, above structure. Ang TP natin, back to what? Back to higher time frame. Diba? Ayusin lang natin. Go to 5 minutes. Kaya lang guys, isin ko lang para mas makita yung difference. Trading on a higher time frame versus on a lower time frame. Right? See? When, nung nakita ko nag-react dito yung price, I go down to a much lower time frame like this, 5 minutes. And look for candle formations para makakonvince sa akin na it's going down or it will continue going down, okay? So, ano yung nakita ko? There's a selling pressure candle here. So, right after this formation close or this candle close, I can set my sell opportunity or shorting execution sa next candle, okay? And stop loss above structure as usual. And then, you can see the difference from a risk-reward ratio na 1:3.5 naging 1:14. So, that shows na you can be profitable using just or trading just level trading or marking just your key support or resistance levels using this concept break and retest, okay, as confirmation entry. Okay? So, again guys, kahit ano pang tawag yan, break and retest, buy at support, sell at resistance, ang concept lang naman yan ay structure pa rin guys. Diba? It's all about reading market structure. Okay? Previous support becomes new resistance, previous resistance becomes new support, so on and so on for a trend continuation. So, makikita rin dito na we can look for what? Multiple opportunities, and that opportunity, we can improve that through lowering down on a lower time frame for a more optimal entry and improving yung risk-reward ratio. So, ilang beses ko na itong tinuturo guys, but I just want to help yung nagtanong na given yung horizontal key level or zone mo, pwede ka na mag-trade using break and retest, di ba? Of course, you have to know how to read candlestick patterns or just a simple candle that will give you a signal para mag-buy or mag-sell. O, di ba? So, yun lang yun. Break and retest. So, if you can read again the market structure, di ba? Once marunong ako magbasa, guys, you can just trade this way. Okay? Actually. So, but I'm just giving you more ideas that aside from the TFP water system that you can use, yung 1, 2, 3 touch rule reversal for the reversal opportunity, ano pa? Using multi-time frame analysis, higher time frame going down to lower time frame, top-down analysis as we say, and of course, improving your risk reward through going down to a much lower time frame, di ba? Ang daming ideas ng forex trading, but I just want to share with you guys ano yung mga workarounds, paano i-improve, paano na-implement yon. So, nakikita nyo in actual, hindi lang basta concept, di ba? So, sana may naiintindihan kayo. So, again, we continue. Again, we have now two positions, improved positions from initially this risk-reward ratio, naging mas maliit or naging mas maliit yung stop loss. However, the TP remains the same at the higher time frame. Because what? We want optimal entry lagi, di ba? And as much as possible, mataas yung reward versus the risk, di ba? Okay? So again, basahin ulit natin yung structure. Against yung sa mark key levels natin, this one got broken. Of course, we will wait for a retest here. Diba? So, what happened? Bumaba pa siya ulit. Eh, ano nangyari? Tingnan natin. Ayun, nag-react ulit, di ba? So, again, guys, in a trend continuation pattern, nagkakaroon tayo ng multiple opportunities as long as you know how to mark your key level or zones, di ba? So, paano nga ba malalaman yung key support level or zones? You just have to know where the price reacted several times. Kung saan siya nag-react ng multiple times, di ba? Nag-react dito, nag-react dito, nag-react dito, nag-react dito. Same thing here, nag-react, 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 nag-react. So at some point, that level will be tested again. So that time we will look for opportunity, di ba? And of course, reading structure and candlestick formations. So ganun yung simpleng pagtitrade lang ng using horizontal support and horizontal resistance, di ba? Doesn't have to be complicated, sabi ko nga sa inyo. Sa pagtitrade, the more ang dami mong nilalagay dyan, the more lalo kang matatagalan or madedelay yung entry mo. Bakit? Ihintayin mo lahat yung magtugma-tugma eh. Diba? Hintayin mo lahat. Paano ko yung isa, it's not exactly yung setup na hinihintay mo. So, diba? Nahuhuli ka sa trade or we can say na huli ka na sa party, diba? Papa-exit na yung iba, ikaw papasok pa lang. So, again, if you're going to make a strategy or a system, make it as simple as possible so that you don't have much confusion or you only have a straight decision making. Pag nakita mo yung setup na yon, I'm going to buy. Pag nakita mo yung setup na yon, I'm going to sell. Diba? Hindi mo na kailangan, teka lang, hindi pa naglalapat tong moving average ko sa RSI, sa MACD, sa stochastic. So guys, kung the more marami kang nilagay dyan, the more iintayin mo yung parang ano yun eh, parang you're waiting for more confirmation for a single entry, di ba? Unlike here, you know what to do. Break, retest for a trend continuation pattern. And at the same time, you have multiple opportunities agad. Di ba? Okay, like this one, hindi siya agad nag-retest. But you know, at some point, this becomes what? New resistance. Kasi nag-break na siya from a previous support. Okay? So, am I going to take the trade now? From 1 hour? No. Again, look for better opportunity saan? No lower time frame. Like 5 minutes. Example. Structure-wise. Look for structure. Diba? Again, you can also apply break and retest saan? Yan, lower time frame for your better entry. Okay. So, you can see, meron ditong pattern na, no? Is there a pattern para magsabi sa atin that the bears are taking over? Yes. See this? And engulfing candle going down. So, if we can apply the break and retest again on a lower time frame using that concept, mark our structure. Example, bugayin ko lang yung kulay para ma-distinguish. Oops, sorry. So, example, di ba meron tayong higher time frame key resistance level which the price reacted. Okay? And I found what? Nakakita daw ako ng bearish confirmation pattern through the candlesticks na the price or the bears are taking over or dominant against the bulls. Okay? So, ano gagawin ko? Mark my structure again. Break. And what? Ano nangyari? Retest. Diba? Ano sabi? Break. And retest. Okay? So, nag-retest ba yung market? Yes. Diba? Paano mo nasabing nag-retest siya at mag-hold siya doon sa level na yon na minarkahan mo? Ito. Diba? Key significant level yan kasi nag-price reacted several times. So, I waited for that retest. Actually, there are several retests. So, we can enter the market. Ito. 1. Oops, sorry. 2. Okay. So, I can enter already saan? Dito. Dito pa lang. See this engulfing? Kahit nga dito pa lang, after I see this formation, I know there's a selling pressure already. So, again, TP, saan? Balik tayo sa higher time frame. Diba? So, tayo sa 1 hour. Again, this green zone is from my daily. Diba? It's from the daily. So, yun. Diba? Again, mas gumaganda yung risk-reward ratio pagka optimal entry tayo sa lower time frame. Kasi kung dito ko siya iintayin, itong magiging risk-reward ratio mo. Diba? Ang laki ng stop loss. Against what? TP. Ano yan? 1:4. Ito naman, 1:18. Look at the difference, guys. Diba? That's why it's better to enter at lower time frame as long as there's what? Always read the candles, guys. There's an assurance or a confirmation that the price will hold. Okay? Will hold on that key level or zone na minarkahan mo. Okay? Diba? We have 2 entry opportunities. Dito at dito. So, logically, after that next candle, pwede ka na mag-set ng order. NTP, again, sabi nga sa higher time frame for much better or improvement ng inyong risk-reward ratio. So, imagine, from 1:4, naging 1:18. Okay? As long as you know how to read structure, guys. Again, lahat ng pasikot-sikot na to, lahat ng tawag dyan sa mga trading methods na yan, it's all about reading candles and price action. Yun lang naman kailangan mo para maging magaling na trader. Know the basics. Sometimes, the basic will help you become more profitable than knowing more complicated stuff. Kasi, sa dami mo ng information na na nasasagap, lahat gusto mong gamitin eh. Moving averages, RSI, stochastic, CCI, ano pa. Meron ka pang Ichimoku, sobrang dami mong itry. Again, guys, stick to only one system and tweak it or improve it every now and then. Diba? As long as you understand what you're doing, you're good to go. Doesn't have to be complicated. Hindi mo kailangan ng sobrang daming indicators, guys. Then, that's the reason we don't use it. Okay? Na-explain ko na yun sa iba kong past videos. So, panoorin nyo na lang. Bakit we don't use indicators. And, again, sana what? Sana mas nalilinawan ngayon yung nagtanong sa akin siya ay new member. I forgot the name, but shoutout sa'yo. So, again, using just key support or resistance levels, we can already trade using break and retest, break and retest, break and retest. So, it's just what? It's the same concept as this trend continuation pattern. Break, retest, di ba? Break, retest, break, retest. So, this new old support got broken becomes new resistance and so on and so forth, di ba? So, using that concept, using level trading, horizontal levels only or zones, you can already profit from the market and trade as simple as that. Okay? So, sabi ko nga, hindi mo kailangan gawing komplikado. Okay? So, using this, you can also find multiple opportunities. Okay? Because alam mo kung saan mag-react possible yung market at saan yung target profit. Okay? Take profit. So, again guys, it's simple. Break and retest. Tandaan nyo lang lagi yung trend continuation pattern na pinakita ko kanina. Okay? Alright? So, kita naman natin, we have 1, 2, 3 trades and all of them what? Hit our TP on a daily level. Diba? Na-hit lahat. If you enter here, 1:4, pag in-improve mo, nagiging 1:11. Ito naman, 1:3, nung in-improve ko, naging, ilan daw yun? 1:14. Same thing here. Initially, 1:4, naging 1:18. So, guys, using just horizontal support and key levels, it's very simple. Okay? Break and retest. Yun lang tandaan nyo. Pag nag-break, it will retest at some point. Kapag hindi, tulad nito, nag-break siya, hindi na retest yung level na yun, nag-break ulit. So, at some point, binalikan niya for an opportunity for us to sell. Diba? Always read the structure, guys. All about market structure. Kaya nga, market structure is king. Diba? Once you know it, you'll be unstoppable. Diba? As long as you know what you're doing, guys. And know how to read candlestick. Yun lang naman eh. Ganyan lang simple, guys. Doesn't have to be complex. Hindi mo kailangan maging super technical sa trading na lahat na yata ng indicators ginamit mo para masabing ang galing-galing mo. No. Mas mukha kang magaling kapag simple at malinis ang chart mo and you make profit out of it, di ba? I'm not using any Fibonacci, moving averages, RSI, ano pa. I'm not using any Ichimoku or kung ano-ano pa. And I'm not using moving averages or anything that any lagging indicator that may hinder my decision making. I want it straightforward. I want my decision to once I know what I'm looking, I take the trade. Hindi na yung nakita ko na yung setup pero ihintayin ko pang mag-align to, mag-align yan. Guys, mahuhuli ako sa trade, di ba? Simplihan nyo lang. So, again, I hope nakatulong to dun sa dun sa nagtanong na kung magiging profitable ba siya using this system, just level trading. And ako guys, pinakita ko pa na you can trade multiple opportunities, di ba? So using just yung concept, break and retest. Okay? So sana ay nakatulong sa ito. Sino ka man, I forgot your name sa sobrang dami nagme-message sa akin. But then again, lahat kayo pinagbibigyan ko, lahat kayo yung mga request nyo as much as possible, magawan ko ng videos para mas maintindihan nyo, okay? Mahirap kasi yung basa lang tayo ng basa eh. So, kailangan nakikita natin actual charts. Yun naman ang goal ko dito sa series, di ba? So, again, thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa sumusuporta at susuporta pa. So, again, shout out to my VIP champion students. So, hope you had a profitable trading week. So, see you again this Sunday for our weekly webinar for our major pairs analysis. And to my non-VIP, salamat ulit sa inyo, sa mga members sa private group, sa mga new members. So, sa mga viewers na hindi pa nagsusubscribe or sumasali sa private group, you are all welcome, okay? Also, yung mga haters or kung ano man, it's okay. I cannot please everyone, di ba nga? But then again, my purpose is to teach people or share my ideas to all those na aspiring traders, lalo na yung mga talagang walang alam na gusto talaga mag-trade. So, I hope nakatulong ulit to sa inyo. Another episode. So, see you next episode for more ideas and trading concepts that you can apply and be profitable in the long run. So, again, thank you. Bye-bye.